In this experiment, we're going to perform thin layer chromatography. So grabbing a thin layer chromatography sheet, this is on a plastic backing, we're going to very carefully make a mark for the baseline. We want to be careful not to scratch the plate while we're making this mark, and make sure to wear gloves so that you don't get finger oils on the plate. Now I need to take this plate and spot it. So I'm using a glass stir rod here, and I'm going to dab it into the solution that we're testing, the dye mixture, and I'm going to apply a dot right on that line. I'm going to go ahead and dot it 2 more times. I just want to make sure that I have a nice small dot concentrated with the pigment that we're trying to separate. So the dot is allowed to dry for a moment, and next it will need to be placed into the development chamber. So I'm going to use a binder clip to grab onto the top of my plate. I'm doing this so that it stays straight up and down inside the developing chamber, which is going to be a beaker. I'm going to use this binder clip to hang it in the beaker with a pencil. So that pencil rests on the beaker, and next I'm going to need to fill it with my solvent. So here I'm separating using water, and the bottom of the water just touches the bottom of my plate. So as time passes, we see that separation occur. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the developing chamber. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on a paper towel. And then using my pencil, I'm going to very carefully mark the solvent front. So this way we know how far the solvent front traveled. And then you can use this to collect your data.